Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video was super spontaneous. I was not planning on filming, but I've been seeing these little solid makeup brush cleaners all over and I was going to order one, but I decided I would try to do a DIY. Some of them I've seen were like 50 bucks, so I just wanted to see if I could do it myself. And everything I used was from the dollar store. I will link all the products down below. But what I started off doing was just grating the soap with the cheese grater into these little containers. And I think I ended up filling about 4 of them when it was all said and done. And the first time I put it in the microwave, I didn't add any water. I just put it in for a minute. And when I took it out, it wasn't quite melting. So after that, I put in a little bit of water and it just started to really mix all together and get creamy. So for the other 2 that I did, I added the water before I put it in the microwave, and that actually worked out really well. And then you're just going to want to stir it together. And if you have to, you could put it back in the microwave for a little bit longer. I noticed that 30 seconds was about the perfect time. A minute was a little too long, so I would do 30-second increments. I feel like that worked the best. And then once you get everything all grated, you're going to make sure it's like a creamy consistency, and you're going to go ahead and add it into your container. And then you're just going to want to stir it all together and make sure it's packed in there nicely. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out because the consistency was kind of thick, but it actually turned out perfect. And then you're going to pop that bad boy in the freezer. And this was kind of a last minute thought. I ended up putting hot glue in the cap because I figured this would be perfect to run the brush around to really get them clean. And then it was ready to go. So I just tried it out. I wet my brush and I just rubbed it all around in there. And the cool thing was like the texture on it was kind of like uneven, so I feel like that really helped clean the brush. So after I did that, then I took it on the cap and rubbed it in there, and it came, I couldn't believe how well this worked. It's going to be a quick and easy way to clean my brushes. I'm so excited. And then I wanted to see if it worked on my beauty blenders as well, and sure enough it did. So it's what works best is if you wet the beauty blender and then rub it in the soap and get it all saturated with soap and then just rinse it out. And I mean, it's almost like new. There's still a little bit of spots on there, but I mean, it looks so much better. And that's it, you guys. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It was super easy to make. Next time I want to try to find a little bit of a prettier container, but overall I'm super happy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!